Okay, so in this grow together video I'm going to be growing some pea shoots and some fava bean shoots. Now those who followed me for a while know I'm always growing these and you're probably getting bored of it. The reason why I'm saying these now is that late March, early April is really one of the best times to grow them. You can sort of grow them any time of year, but now they grow fast and they taste really, really delicious. Later in the summer they grow faster, but they can grow tough quicker. This time of year they seem to keep going for longer. So they're really good to grow, and it's also quite nice to get some freshly new veg early in the year. If it's warm, they might be ready in 2 or 3 weeks. Definitely 4 anyway. So that's good. Now this, in this bucket here, is some growing media from old trays I grew in last year. They're full of roots, so I just bundled them in this bucket with some holes in, let them rot down. Added some chicken manure to let that rot in as well. Chicken manure pellets, those are pellets you can buy easily from the shops. Have high nitrogen, which is what leafy veg needs. So that's all rotted down in here. I'm growing it again, so I don't need to buy any more stuff. So I'm just going to fill these trays up. These ones here are actually ones I sowed October or November last year. It's kept us going all winter. Amazing. They still taste good, still tender. You want to fill the trays nearly full of growing media. When I run workshops, I quite often see people just putting a little bit in. I think that's to save compost. But actually this is plants for food for the plants. So you want to nearly fill the tray. Just leave enough space to add a layer on the top. There we are. Now I should have really soaked these beans for 24 hours. It's better, they come up faster, but it doesn't matter if you don't. These have just been about 10 minutes. Always in a rush. Got 2 small children, always in a rush to pick them up, whatever. Probably also a bit disorganised as well, let's face it. Okay, so nearly touching each other, you can sow them close together. Now these fava bean shoots, a bit less well known than pea shoots, but they taste quite beany, quite bulky, so you get quite a lot of them, so you can use them as a base of a salad, or you can use them in risottos, stir fries. I really like them. I wouldn't say they're as universally successfully popular as pea shoots are. However, I've given them to quite a few chefs over the years, and nearly all of them have really liked them. So I definitely think they're worth a try. You can get them, the fava beans, you can get them online. In the UK there's a company called Hodmedod who do them. Quite often you can find them in Middle Eastern shops as well. They're often sold as full madams. So I'm just going to cover these with a layer of soil, and once these are growing I'll keep you posted on updates. But if you grow them as well, it'll be really good to see how you find them, and also interesting to compare what we use them for in home in our cooking. So there we go, it's pretty much done really. Now you could quite happily leave these to come up, germinate outside. This time of year they will do. I'm not going to. The only reason I'm not going to is that I know I have some very pesky blackbirds that live around here, and them and I think there's a mouse as well, between them will conspire, I suspect, to dig them all up and make a mess as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put them inside until they germinate, start to come up, and then I'll bring them outside. I found once they're actually sprouting and coming up, for some reason the blackbirds and others are a bit less interested in them. I don't know why that is, but it just seems to be how it is. Actually this thing here, this bath here, is actually a bird bath, and the blackbirds love it. But I do sometimes wonder if I should be encouraging them, because they have become very keen gardeners in my garden, and I think that's because I use a lot of worm compost, so there's a lot of worms in the pots. Like you can see them crawling around here. So the blackbirds also see this as their worm larder, which is sort of nice in one way, but in another way it can be a bit annoying sometimes. All these, because they're just so messy, they just don't clear up after themselves. There should be, might have to have blackbird training. If you want your worms, you need to clear up your mess. Anyway, so I don't know why I'm batting them down, don't really need to do that, just don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so there we are. Fava beans and pea shoots all ready to go. I'm going to leave those to germinate inside, and we'll keep a watch on how they go.